District Engineer Alcantara.
Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dinay niyo kay Senator Joel, dinay din niyo sa akin. Oh.
So, kinukolektan makakalala daw kayo nung Maynila pa?
Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
May picture kayo ni
DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir. Do you remember that, sir, when it was taken?
I do not know. I cannot recall that event. Pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin, hindi ko mo pwede tanggihan. Kung drug lord yun, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yun o gambling lord, hindi ko naman matatanggihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here.
Sir, sasampahan niyo ba ng kaso?
Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yun.
Anong kaso?
So I will have to talk to my lawyers.
Will you confront him sa next hearing?
If he's here, he's seeking refuge in the house already. Doesn't want to come back here.
Sa PNP Custodial Center na daw, sir.
I do not know.
Sabi ni SP Soto, nagkaroon agreement ni Speaker.
I do not know. Well, if he's going to be invited or subpoenaed here, then I will confront him.
Pero sir, totoo yun, sir, na meron kayo talagang pa-allocate na pondo sa Bulacan or wala?
As I mentioned earlier, lahat yan, line item yan, anybody can choose those line items at bintang sa mga senador.
Pero hindi kayo nag-determine sir ng budget?
No.
Wala?
No.
So, ni-check niyo na sir yung GAA na wala kayo doon?
Yes, I think so. I told my staff to check on it.
Pero sir, saan siya papunta?
I really do not know kung anong intention nitong si Bryce Hernandez. So, ang feeling ko lang talagang he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt. Nakita mo naman, napakasinungaling ng tao ngayon. I asked him kung siya yung Marvin D. Guzman, alias doon sa, ginagamit niya alias doon sa paglalaro sa casino. O didinay niya, mukha niya yun nandun. Ang laki-laki magpatalo sa casino niyan. Ilang daang milyon kung magpatalo sa casino niya. Saan niya kinukuha yung pera? Oh. Kaya ako naniniwala ako, kahit siguro may ghost project itong Sims Construction, naniniwala ako na totoo lahat yung sinasabi dito na nagbibigay siya ng limpak-limpak na salapi doon sa DPWH kay Bryce Hernandez
Yung mga picture na sir ng pera na.
Imagine.
Hindi nisipid niyo ni Bryce, so 8,000 ko niya na nabita pa.
Well, I do not have any idea.
Sir, so yung 355 million, it's in the GAA. You allocated